Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be drawing this very realistic black and white eye. So first of all, you're going to start with drawing a circle and a line across the middle and trying to form a shape of an eye, more like a leaf shape, and drawing the eyelid above. So mine was a little bit tilted, so I fixed that in position. And now you're gonna draw the iris, and you can draw a perfect circle on Procreate, and you could erase the rest if it depends on where you want the iris to be. So then I wanted to leave a little bit of shining on the pupil, and you're gonna shade that in a very dark shade of gray. And then next up, you're gonna add some sort of outline on the outside of the iris and smudge that, and you're gonna shade in the iris and add on the shading on it. Here I added another color of shading, and then I smudged them in to create this realistic iris effect. This is completely optional, but if you want to, you can go to noise and add a little bit of texture to your drawing. So basically I added in these wavy lines. The more wavy they are, the more realistic your eye is. And then you start drawing in these lines and adding a darker shade of gray on them. And as you guys can see in the middle, I'm adding these small little triangles here and there. And here we're adding more darker shading, but leave a little bit of space to show a little bit of variation, and the eye pops out. Now we're coloring in the eyeball, but make sure to be very precise and very cautious when you are drawing or coloring, specifically in this drawing, because you don't want to make the colors seem very dark, and you want to be as light as possible here. And always make sure to draw or color in the direction, because your painting or your drawing can look nice and neat. Now we are shading in the eyelids and trying to make a skin. The more different shades of gray you add, the more realistic your drawing will be. And I kind of made smudging here and there so this could look like a popping effect. Now it's time to add the lashes, and remember, all the brushes will be in the link in the description. For this video I will use 2 brushes, so they'll be down in the description. I felt that my eyeball was kind of dark, so I added in white and then smudged it in. And that's the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed following along this tutorial. I honestly had so much fun. Don't forget to subscribe and watch my last video up there, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!